Hello everyone and welcome back again to another fresh video of Ashu Talks. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about internship provided by Microsoft. So here you can see on the screen Indian Support Engineer Intern. So this is the job role provided by Microsoft. This is not a work from home internship. Here you can see job available in two locations. So job locations are Bangalore, Karnataka and Hyderabad, Telangana. So these are the two job locations. In further video we will talk about all the responsibilities and all the requirements for the job. So here you can see role type is individual contributor, and here you can see profession is related to service, employment type internship. So this is not a regular job, this is basically an internship. And here you can see your job is as a support engineer. As a support professional, you have to provide quality support to its customer. You have to provide support to Microsoft customer. You have to solve their problems, their and give them technical solutions basic basis on their problems, and you have to satisfy the consumer by solving their problem, Microsoft consumer. So this is a job role, and here you can see qualification. There is no qualification mentioned below. So if you are from any degree, any branch, you can apply for this job role. This job role is for everyone. Nothing is mentioned as below. Here you can see and read this. Microsoft is an equal opportunity employer, so everyone can apply for this job role. If you are 12th pass out, you can apply for this job role. No specific things mentioned here. So here you can read the job role. Support engineer does not only resolve a customer issue, they resolve the customer's issue and build loyalty with the customers. So this thing you have to do. You have not only to solve the customer issue but also to build loyalty with the customers. Microsoft is an amazing brand, as you all know about it. Microsoft is known for its customer service. So here you can see benefits and perks. The exact salary is not mentioned, but it might be near about 20,000 to 15,000. So you can apply for this job role. And here you can see various benefits and perks provided from the Microsoft. There is industry leading healthcare. So if you have any healthcare issue, that will be provided for free, and various programs to learn new things and opportunity to network and connect. If you do a job or internship in a Microsoft, there is an amazing opportunity for a network and connection, and you will get various discounts on much variety of products and services from Microsoft. So here you can see apply link. You can apply for this job. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to it. Thank you for watching.